Welcome back viewers. In the last video we have seen the Geekbench 6 performance test being done on the CachyOS system, which is installed as a virtual machine on my laptop, and we had tested the BPFLAND schedule extended scheduler, and we had selected the SCX variant of BPFLAND and with the auto scheduler profile. Now in this video we are going to change it over to gaming profile, and the scheduler flag M performance is set by default. So we are now going to apply this scheduler profile to the system using our sudo password. So now this profile has been applied. This scheduler type, scheduler variant and scheduler profile is active on our system. We will start the Geekbench test. Now the test has started. You have to just wait for the test to get completed. And then we will check out the scores just like we did in the last video. That was the first video of this test series. Now the multi-core test has started. All the same tests in the same sequence will be repeated for this scheduler. So this test is also over and we can check out the scores at this link given here. Copy link address. If we go to the browser, start a new tab and visit this. You can see the change in the single core and multi-core cores. You can see here it is 1153 for single core, while in the earlier it was 1060. Now it is 1153, and multi-core it was 2321. Now it is 3080. So there is a drastic improvement in the multi-core score now as compared to the earlier variant of the BPFLAND extended scheduler. So now we will stop the video here. In the next video we will try out another variant of this, that is your low latency we will try out. So what is the difference in the low latency variant or the scheduler profile low latency for the BPFLAND SCX BPFLAND scheduler? So that we will check in the next video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.